Hello and welcome to this tutorial of the meal planner with an automated grocery list. The all-in-one meal planner that will make your life easier. After downloading your PDF, you can select the currency of your preference. Make a copy of the file so you can edit it. The instructions for using this planner can be found on the first page. Additionally, you can find the instructions too at the top of each page. Click on the plus symbol to see it. In the second sheet, Items, add all of the items that you frequently use. Beverages and snacks added to this list can be included into the meal planner's respective cells. You can change the item categories, but you must not change the category of beverages and snacks so that the meal planner can detect them. You can create a new category, which will be automatically added to the categories drop-down list. There are over 300 pre-configured items that you can easily modify by changing the pricing according to your location. You can also select a different unit of measurement to suit your needs. Add your new items at the end of the list. Select the category. Write its name. Write its price. Choose the unit of measurement. It is recommended that you choose the unit in which you typically purchase the goods. For example, you could buy apples by pounds or by count. You could categorize them whatever you like. If you want to calculate the calories consumed, you can do a quick search on the web. Write, how many calories are in 100 grams of? Type your object here. In my case, for example, I'll look for marshmallows. And it often appears in the first result. Fill up the last column with the number of calories. You can keep the pricing and calories columns blank if you don't want to know the total price or calories of your meals. However, it is advisable not to leave the unit of measurement blank to have a more precise shopping list. At the top of the page, you have the item row finder. Select the item you would like to find, and it will show you which row it's in, so you can find it faster. In the third sheet, Recipes, you can enter all of your recipes with the unit of measurement of your choice, which will be translated to the purchasing unit automatically. For example, if you include a cup of cereal in your recipe, and you have the cereal configured in pounds on your item sheet, it will be automatically converted to pounds for your shopping list. When you adjust the number of servings in the meal planner, the total amount of each item on your automated grocery list is multiplied. This way, you'll always know exactly what you need to buy. When you write your recipe, the prices and calories are automatically calculated, so you will know what the price of each dish will cost and how many calories it will contain. This symbol may appear while you write your recipe, but be patient until the formulas are calculated. You will know by this blue line loading. By clicking on this plus button, you will be able to see the predefined recipes. You are free to change them if you wish. However, avoid deleting or adding columns in order to prevent affecting the formulas. At the top of the page, you can also find the Recipes row finder. When you select a recipe, you can easily see which row the recipe is in. And now the most fun part, the meal planner. In this planner, you can select the breakfasts, lunches, and dinners that you have added to your recipes. The snacks and beverages that you have added to your items sheets, you can select them here in their respective cells. Important note: beverages are measured per glass that contains about 8 fluid ounces. However, this value is converted to your preferred unit of measurement. For example, if you have iced tea set to a quart unit in your items sheet and choose 2 glasses of iced tea for Monday on your meal planner, you will see how many quarts you require in your shopping list. In the case of snacks, it will be added according to the unit of measurement you have configured. If you add 1 chocolate bar and have it configured as count on your items sheet, it will be added as 1 count to your grocery list. However, if it's configured as pounds, it will be added as 1 pound. The total number of calories for the day is shown along with the calories per dish. Plan ahead for up to 5 weeks to have the month under control. On the 5th page, Stock in Pantry. You can write down the inventory of what you have at home. The items you add here will be subtracted from your grocery list. If you have more items at home than you need to buy, the item will be shaded in gray. On the grocery list spreadsheet, you can specify which weeks you want the shopping list to display. If you pick all 5, you will see all of the items that you will need to buy in a month as well as the overall cost. And in the last group of columns, you can add extra items. If you want to add, for example, laundry detergent, remember to add it to the items list first, and then insert it to this column. It will be added to the shopping list. Finally, in the last sheet called Mobile Checklist, you will find your shopping list adapted to view from your mobile phone. Items that have been crossed out in the grocery list and are not pending purchase will not appear here. As you check off goods when purchasing, you will see how many products you still need to purchase above. If you prefer paper lists, you just have to select the cells. Click File, Print, and at the top right, inside this print box, select Selected Cells. The same with your meal planner sheets. If you want to print them, select the weeks you want to print, click File, Print, and click on Selected Cells. You can change the scale to fit to height or width. Now you know everything you need to use this all-in-one meal planner. It has helped me to save a significant amount of time when shopping for the month and eat healthier. I hope it's useful to you as well. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Goodbye.